In this video, I'll be telling you how to ideally go about the subject, which is English, of course, as you know, when you are in grades 11th and 12th. The first and foremost step is please do not rely on synopses or summaries. No. What's the loss? When it comes to text-based questions, you'll not be able to answer them because you don't know the text, you're not aware about the text. Okay, so first go through the text and then proceed to the summary. That will be the most beneficial thing that you can do. The second tip is, it's it's highly likely actually that you are going to face many new words while going through the text. That's obvious. So what I suggest you to do is, number one, don't just leave the textbook or the text aside and go through the dictionary or whatsoever. What will happen is you will lose the track of the text. You'll be very much distracted and you'll just break the flow, which is not at all advisable. Okay, so what you should do, it's highly likely again that when you just try to read the sentence, okay, so you can actually understand the meaning of the words from the sentence itself. If not, underline the word in the sentence and proceed further. Okay, but do not break the flow and understand the text very clearly, like as much as you can. When it comes to poems, some poems are really tricky, some poems are really easy. So here I'll leave it totally upon you whether you want to go for the summary first or whether you want to go for the text first.